cubes, put the end grains so they face up and down. I'm going to try a different way of taping them together. I tape the top and bottom. So there's the top going across. Oops. Okay, so I've taped the fronts of these two. I'm going to turn this over and I'm going to tape here and here. So if these two taped this way and these two taped on the other side, I'm going to flip them up and tape the sides. So I'm going to have front, side, back, side, front. So here and here. I'll tape this side and this side. I'm trying not to go over the edge, but if I do, I'll cut it. So there's the side and the side. Here's the front. Now I'm going to do the side. So front, side, back, side. So I want to tape here and here. Of course, I could have painted these cubes or decorated them in some way, and I could use colorful tape, but I thought I'd be subtle. Okay, so front, side, back, side, front, side, back, side. This is taped up completely. Now all I have to do is fold it so that I can put the tape on the other sides of each of these hinges. So first I'll roll it toward me, turn it over. The hinges are here and here. I'll just tape those. Alright. Fold these ends. So the hinges are here and here. Make sure the hinges still work. I'll turn this over, and the hinges are here and here. Basically, you just fold it and go around and make sure each of the hinges is taped on both sides. Okay, there it is. Now there's one more. Here, if I roll it, I've got tape here and here. So if I roll it, here's where I need the tape. Okay, does it still work? Still rolls? Okay. That works. I think that's the simplest one I've ever done.